We have our homemade jerk sauce too. Wow, just look at that. Cheers to you. This is not alcohol, this is ginger beer. So it's a stronger version of ginger ale. All right, so first we're gonna dig into our mashed potatoes with vegetables. Take a bite, look at that. Wow. Guys, welcome back. So today we're doing day 2 of the Farm to Sea challenge. And we're gonna do a little piece of fried salmon with some mashed potatoes, which I'll show you in a second. But I don't like sweet potatoes that much, so I balance it out with 1 sweet potato and 2 regular potatoes. And then we're gonna mash it. We're gonna add a little bit of mayo and a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. We're not gonna make the recipes very long and in-depth today because it's more about the challenge. So in our bowl right here, we have 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. If you watch a lot of my videos, you'll see what Cajun seasoning I use. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and then a half a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. So we're gonna combine all of that, and we're gonna liberally coat our salmon with this spice blend. And the remainder we're gonna add to a little bit of flour, and we're gonna add some hot sauce to this too, to give it a little bit of, extra spiciness. So I'll see you guys over at the stove where we'll salt our potatoes and let them get boiling. So as you can see, our potatoes are in the pot and start to boil. We're gonna add a little bit of salt to the water. We're gonna let these cook until tender. Just before we turn the stove off, we're gonna put in some frozen mixed vegetable because we want a little bit of bite from the mixed vegetables. So we're not gonna cook them. We just want to blanch them a little bit. And then we're gonna drain off the water. We're gonna add a little bit of mayo, a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. And this is gonna be 1 creamy, delicious, balanced potato because we're using sweet potato and we're using regular potatoes. And then we're gonna have our fried salmon and then something else. So guys, today we're gonna be using this Oven Cravers Cordon Bleu chicken. It's raw, so we have to put this in the oven and cook it up. So I won't show you that process, but I'll let you know. This is my first time trying it. But one thing about me, I like to make most things fresh. But if I go to the grocery store and I see a bargain, I'm like, all right, I gotta try this. So this was regular $5. It was on markdown for 2. So I was like, wow, let me try this. So we're gonna do the chicken cordon bleu or fried salmon and our mashed potatoes. And we'll just kind of speed up the whole recipe process because this is more about the challenge. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna get eating, okay? So just stay with me. So guys, this is our frozen chicken cordon bleu out of the packet. They said we should bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So you'll see it right now and you won't see it again until it's done. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. Guys, as you can see right here, we have our Walker's Hood Fire Stick hot sauce and we have our piece of salmon back there. Right in the bowl right here, we have 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and then the spice mix that you see we made earlier, we add 1 tablespoon to that. And then to our fish, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of our Fire Stick hot sauce. So that's gonna kind of help to create a batter. And we're gonna put a few squirts in the flour too to create a little bit of crispy bite pieces. So we'll go ahead and add our fish, marinate our fish, like just combine everything together. And then we're gonna add it to our flour and just coat it. And then we're gonna fry it up for about 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, now our potatoes and everything is cooked. And we're just smashing them together. We did add 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of mayo and salt and pepper to taste. And we're just gonna mash these until it's nice and creamy. This is a different take on potatoes. I've never seen anyone really put mayo. I've seen people put cream, butter, and those stuff in there. So this is my own take and I like it. So please enjoy. Guys, this is our finished vegetable mashed potato. When I said I never seen anybody put mayo in potatoes, I mean mashed potatoes. Okay, because you know, of course, potato salad and all the stuff, people put mayo in there. So this is the ready product. We're gonna fry up our fish now. We're gonna take our chicken cordon bleu out of the oven, and then we're gonna get ready to grub. Our salmon is ready to go into the oil. I'm excited about this. And now we drop our salmon, and we're gonna reduce the heat to about medium so it can fry and be nice and flaky on the inside. So I'll see you in about 5 to 7 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing the Farm and See challenge created by the Mukbang BULLS. All right. And the reason for my salmon being that dark is because of the jerk spices. There's actually like sugar and all the stuff in there, so you get a nice caramelization. So take a look. We have our salmon, we have some fried ripe plantain, we have our chicken cordon bleu, and our mashed potatoes. So I was nominated by Antoine Eats. So just look at that. Wow, let's take a thumbnail. And we're drinking some Jamaican ginger beer. And we got our Walkers with hot sauce. Of course, on deck we have our homemade jerk sauce too. Wow, just look at that. Cheers to you. This is not alcohol, this is ginger beer. So it's a stronger version of ginger ale. All right, so first we're gonna dig into our mashed potatoes with vegetables. Take a bite, look at that. Wow. Wow. So we have our Walkers with hot sauce. This is Jamaican hot sauce. We're gonna put some on our chicken cordon bleu. We're gonna put some on our salmon. I love Walkers with product. So when I get big, they better sponsor me. And this is ripe plantain. So the last few videos you see me eating really weird. I was chewing on this side because this side was swollen. It's a little swollen still, but I'm working on it. All right, so this is our chicken cordon bleu. Just look at that. I think this is really good quality. Let me try. Yeah. Really good quality. We're gonna get some of our jerk sauce on top of that. Guys, I went all out today. I was so sorry I didn't eat the shrimp, but I just couldn't do it. Wow. All right, let's cut a piece of this salmon. We cook the salmon for about 5 minutes. You can still see how moist it is on the inside. Get some, and I did coat it with some of the jerk sauce afterward. Just look at that. Wow. Wow. That hot sauce has a little bit of kick to it, but not too much, just full of flavor. Cheers to you. This challenge right here really giving me a workout because I'm filming this video early in the morning to upload it the same day. But I guess it's a good way to push myself. Let's look at the plantain. Look at that. This is how you want your plantain to be. When it's a little bit more riper than this, then it has a lot of sugar and it just caramelizes. It's a lot sweeter, but I like to eat those on toast, not as this. Wow. What are you guys doing? I want to say shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to all the existing subscribers. And everyone who's connecting with me. Shout out to you. Wow. Guys, the salmon is just flaking apart. Just look at that. I'm telling you, if you haven't had your salmon fried, you can put whatever seasoning you want on it. But just delicious. Wow. Whew. Just look how that salmon flakes up. I'm telling you, the holiday season is coming up on us. It's already here though. I don't do much for Christmas though, you know. Wow. Just look at that. Amazing. I'm so surprised by the quality of this chicken cordon bleu. And it was frozen. Guys, I'm just so excited to be here doing YouTube. It's funny because I think I'm feeling a lot comfortable around the camera. You guys let me know if you see me being comfortable. Because when I had the restaurant, I had to shoot a short 1-year anniversary message. And they had to do it like 4 or 5 times. And now, all of my videos are just one take. So, and I don't edit them. The only thing I do is add clips and listen to them and maybe insert some writing. But you can tell, obviously. Wow. That salmon looks so good on camera. This chicken cordon bleu is really good though, I'm surprised. I got one left. If I eat it for the rest of the day then, yeah. But you might probably see it tomorrow again. And I'll be making salmon a different way. I don't know if I want a salmon sandwich. Sorry. Or I want to curry it. But I have this delicious coconut curry salmon recipe. So good. And I'm not a lover of salmon either. That's why I cook it myself. Because a lot of places just treat it very simple with salt and pepper. And that ain't it. Guys, I'm getting full already. But it's too early. Well, not really, because it's about 10 a.m. now. So, but it's a little early to eat so much food. This salmon is amazing. But you see, the salmon is not burnt. Not burnt. Just a nice caramelization. You know when the food is so good and you're full, but you still eat them? I'm telling you. When I had the restaurant, people would complain that they didn't get enough food. And it's not because they didn't get enough. It was just so good that they didn't want to stop eating. And after I get to know them, they're the ones who tell me that. I'm not the one who's saying that, you know? That's a stem. From the mixed vegetable. If you like ginger flavor, you definitely gotta try this ginger beer. Really good. I think I'm gonna finish this last piece of chicken cordon bleu, and we're gonna cut it there for today. Well, just stay tuned because I may still eat everything. Wow, this chicken cordon bleu is so good. I'm really full. Now I'll take one last bite of this potato. But you can see how silky and cream that potato. Silky and cream. Silky and creamy, sorry. Cheers to you guys. I'm having so much fun creating this content. It's fun. You get to discover delicious recipes that you may never think about, but I'm enjoying it. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your family, and spam the Mukbang BULLS down below and let them know I did their challenge. So I want to say love you all and peace.